The biggest challenge with regard to happiness is that we cannot sustain it. It comes easily, but it doesn't stay. It goes away. And then we can bring it again into our life for some time, momentarily, and then it goes away. It's like you have a bucket with a big hole at the bottom. No matter how much water you pour into this bucket, it will simply leak out. So you pour more water, still leaks out. You pour more water, still leaks out. So happiness, this staying problem of happiness is not the problem with happiness, but it's your inability to contain it. Does it make sense? And you're unable to contain happiness because of your ignorance about your true self. About your ignorance about the fact that you are the source of happiness. Happiness, to most people, appears to come from outside. They think happiness comes from outside, from things, from experiences, from travel, from adventure, from food, from this. And it comes from outside, it stays for a while and it goes away. But the truth of matter is that you produce happiness within and you project it onto some things, and you mistakenly, falsely believe that it's coming from things to you. Now this is ignorance, and you suffer because of this ignorance, and you suffer because you think that it's coming from that way, but it's you who are projecting the happiness. And people have problems in relationships because they think my partner is the source of my happiness. It's basically you're throwing happiness from you onto the partner, and your partner is simply reflecting back the happiness that you projected onto your partner, and you mistakenly believe that your partner is the source of happiness. Just like looking at moon, you might end up believing that moon is the source of light. Moon is simply reflecting the light that comes from sun onto its surface. So you are the sun of your happiness. This is what you need to know. And while I can tell you this in theory, but in experience, you can only know this if you spend time rediscovering yourself, recognizing who you truly are. Only when you're able to do that, and this information seeps into your cells, and it becomes a natural reflex, happiness will stay. Every moment, all day.